let's review how to use the Ingredients Imperial Accordion on our cooking page. Select the Numbers section, then the Cooking page. Click on the Ingredients Imperial Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can enter key values such as your source amount and select your starting unit from a comprehensive list that includes precise historical and niche culinary measurements like coffee spoon, dash, pinch, and tablespoon. Next, choose your target destination unit from the drop-down menu. After specifying the desired output, click the equals icon when ready. A result data box will automatically appear below, displaying a comprehensive breakdown of the converted requirements. Once the data box is generated, you can distribute secure links directly via email. This structured layout helps legal professionals validate figures, test scenarios, and explain volumetric outcomes with confidence. And that's how you use LawWiz Ingredients Imperial Accordion.